Imagine if stars were not massive balls of plasma, but instead giant cosmic light bulbs screwed into the ceiling of the universe. Suddenly, astronomy would stop being about nuclear fusion and start being about maintenance. NASA wouldn't be sending rockets to Mars, they'd be sending electricians to replace burnt-out bulbs. Telescopes wouldn't study galaxies, they'd just check which stars were flickering like a faulty lamp in a cheap motel. Picture the night sky. Instead of twinkling with distant mystery, it would look like your grandmother's living room, where half the bulbs in the chandelier are burnt out. The constellations would be a mess. Orion's belt. More like Orion's missing pants because two bulbs went out and nobody got around to replacing them. Romance would never be the same. Imagine a couple gazing at the night sky, whispering sweet nothings when suddenly the star they're looking at fizzles and goes dark. Nothing says forever like the universe shutting off the mood lighting. On the plus side, you could track the galactic power bill. Astronomers would release monthly reports. This quarter, the Milky Way used 47 trillion watts, mostly due to Orion's vanity lighting. If you think your electric bill is bad, try explaining to your landlord that you accidentally left the Andromeda Galaxy on all night. Now imagine the job market. Forget astronauts, kids would dream of becoming cosmic electricians, flying around space with giant ladders and tool belts. The International Space Station would have a Home Depot attached. Every time a star went out, there'd be a galactic customer service hotline. Hello, universe support. Have you tried turning the Big Dipper off and on again? Supernovas would no longer be terrifying explosions, just bulbs popping dramatically. Somewhere a cosmic janitor would sigh, "Great, another mess to clean up." Black holes would be interpreted as faulty sockets that need rewiring. And think about daylight. The sun would just be the biggest light bulb of all. One unlucky Tuesday, it could burn out mid-morning. You'd be halfway through your coffee when, click, total darkness. Emergency backup stars would have to switch on like generators in a blackout. People would stumble around saying, "Guess someone forgot to change the bulb again." Of course, conspiracy theories would explode. The stars aren't burning out naturally, someone on the internet would argue. The cosmic landlord is cheap and using discount bulbs. Influencers would start selling authentic starlight replacements for your bedroom. And you'd never trust a horoscope again. Today, Mercury is in retrograde. Oh wait, no, it just went dark. My bad. The biggest question would be, who screwed in the stars to begin with? Suddenly, religion, science, and interior design would be the same field. Priests would debate with electricians, philosophers would argue with lamp salesmen, and somewhere in a cosmic IKEA, you'd be waiting 3 hours in line to buy a new constellation starter pack. In the end, the universe as a giant light fixture is both terrifying and hilarious. Terrifying because the lights could go out at any moment. Hilarious because if we really are living in the world's biggest ceiling lamp, then somewhere, out there, there must be a cosmic landlord with a very long extension cord and a very bad sense of humor.